Welcome to this quick guide on how to take control of your WhatsApp group experience. If you're tired of being added to groups without your consent, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to walk through the simple steps to ensure only your friends can add you to WhatsApp groups. First, open the WhatsApp app on your device. Once you're in, you'll notice 3 dots in the top right corner. Tap on these dots and a menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings. This is where you can customize various aspects of your WhatsApp experience. Now, in the Settings menu, tap on Account and then select Privacy. This section allows you to manage who can see your information and interact with you on WhatsApp. Scroll down until you see the option labeled Groups. Tap on it to access the group privacy settings. Here, you'll find 3 options: Everyone, My Contacts, and Nobody. For our purpose, we want to choose My Contacts. This setting ensures that only people you have saved in your phone's contact list can add you to groups. If someone outside your contacts tries to add you, they'll have to send you a private invitation instead, giving you the power to decide whether to join or not. By selecting My Contacts, you're taking a significant step towards managing your group memberships more effectively. You'll no longer receive unwanted group notifications from people you don't know. Plus, you'll have the peace of mind knowing that you're in control of who can add you to groups. This feature is especially useful if you're someone who values privacy, or if you're simply overwhelmed by too many group messages. WhatsApp's privacy settings are designed to give you more control over your experience, and this is just one of the many ways you can customize your interactions on the platform. So, there you have it. A simple and effective way to ensure only your friends can add you to WhatsApp groups. Give it a try and enjoy a more streamlined and personalized WhatsApp experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.